Alright guys, so I'm going to be making a coffee table out of 3x3 square tubing, some 2x2. I'm leaning toward oak right now, some white oak. The coffee table is going to be about 19 inches tall, roughly 30 inches deep, and about 50 inches or so wide. So we're going to cut this 3x3 down to 457 millimeters. Should be about 18 inches. So we got all of our 3x3 cuts, the 4 legs. So these are 18 inches high. I will have an adjustable foot on the bottom, which can bump it about an inch and about an inch with the top. So it'll be about 20 inches in the end tall. So all the 3x3s cut. Next thing we got to do is knock out the 2x2s. And those are going to be the cross supports. They're going to be the top and the bottom, about 2 inches up. We're going to have the 2x2s, and then right at the top we're going to have the rest of the 2x2s. But they're going to be 508 millimeters long and 1,016 millimeters long. So we got all of our pieces cut down here. So here we got a 3x3, our 4 legs, and then we have our 4 cross supports and the other 4. I just tack them up. So we got our frame tack welded together. It's looking pretty good. It's starting to look like a coffee table. Next thing we gotta do is finish all the welds. and then clean it up. So we got our 1/8 inch by 1 inch band over the rebar. Can make a little enclosed band. I'll just clean up that a little bit. It's good to go. So we got both of the X braces rebar. Put 1 inch by 1/8 inch band on it. Just took some flat stock, welded one side on, and pounded it around with a hammer. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to pop the X braces out, polish up, basically take all the mill scale off of all the steel, polish it up, and then weld the X braces back on, and then start working on the top.